Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Charima. Thank you so much for joining me and thank you again for clicking. Once again, I'm back after uh, a while of being unwell. I'm still not feeling okay, but I'm I'm okay. I'm good. So without wasting much time, let's get back to our Kikuyu lessons, and I hope you're going to enjoy. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and even comment down there if you really like this content. For the newcomers, welcome, and let's get started. Today we're going to learn a few words, just random words um, concerning sports. I think sports or so. And the first word we have is jump. How do we call jump in Kikuyu? Jump, koroga, koroga, jump, koroga. Running or to run. Gotengera, gotengera. Gotengera is the name for running. Running, gotengera. To run, gotengera. Run fast, tengera ihenya. Tengera ihenya. Or you can even say, gotengera ihenya. Gotengera ihenya. Ihenya is fast. Fast, ihenya. Walk. Walk, gũthiĩ na magũrũ. Gũthiĩ na magũrũ. Walk. Walk on foot, of course. That is how we call gũthiĩ na magũrũ or gũthiĩ. You can also say gũthiĩ is like to. Okay, gũthiĩ is to go. But to walk on foot, gũthiĩ na magũrũ. Magũrũ are the feet or our feet. Now, ride on a car. Gũthiĩ na ngari. Gũthiĩ na ngari. Ngari is a car. Gũthiĩ is to go. Gũthiĩ na ngari. Ride on a car. Far. Far. Kũraihu. Kũraihu. Or kũraya. Far. If you're going far, gũthiĩ kũraihu. To go far. Near. Hakuhĩ. 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 Hakuhĩ is just the opposite of far. Near. Gũthiĩ hakuhĩ. Go nearby. Gũthiĩ hakuhĩ. Go nearby or just go near. Drive a car. Gũtwarithia ngari. Gũtwarithia ngari. Drive a car. Ngari is a car. Gũtwarithia is the driving. Drive me in a car or drive me. Kũndwara na ngari. Kũndwara na ngari. Drive me in a car. Drive me in a car. Ndwara na ngari yaku. Drive me in your car. Now, ride a bicycle. Gũtwara mũithikiri. Gũtwara mũithikiri. Mũithikiri is a bicycle. Mũithikiri is a bicycle. Gũtwara mũithikiri or gũtwarithia mũithikiri. Ride a bicycle. The same case applies to ride a motorcycle. A motorcycle is the same thing. Gutwarithia, how do you call this motorcycle? Uh, Kifi. Gutwarithia, kifi. Now, can you ride a bicycle? No utwarithie muithikiri. Can you ride a bicycle? No utwarithie muithikiri. Muithikiri, we have said, is a bicycle. Now, the other one is hide yourself. Wehide, hide yourself. Wehide, or basically to hide. Kwehida, is to hide. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this brings me to the end of this video. Thank you so much for staying tuned. Thank you so much for watching until this far. I hope you are able to learn a few words. I hope you are able to come along with me. If you have any questions, any suggestions, any comment, feel free to use the comment section down there. And also don't forget to like, subscribe, of course, and yeah, let's continue with this journey. And I'm wishing you all a beautiful evening wherever you are, guys. Make sure you don't miss any videos from my channel, and I hope you are going to enjoy this content as we go along. Thank you so much for watching. Good evening, good night, wherever you are. Bye bye.